Okay, good morning, all the students, and welcome to the Brucher class. Today, we will see a new topic in a grammar, that is the paragraph writing. As we have discussed before, only lots about the paragraph writing. Okay, paragraph writing. Paragraph, that means if you are writing 7 to 10 proper sentence formulation related to your topic, that is called a paragraph writing. Just writing, it's not just writing uh, just writing a lines, it's not a correct form of paragraph writing. There is a format, there is a simple tips that you have to keep in your mind, then you can write a paragraph. Okay, paragraph, whatever you're contained in the paragraph, that totally correlated with your topic. Okay, so what is the paragraph? Paragraph is a series organized or form a sentence related to your topic or your idea. For example, I'll tell you Kritika, I tell Kritika that please say a few lines. If she doesn't have the idea about that related topic, so she's not able to inform her. She's not able to speak about her. राइट, अगर कृतिका को उस टॉपिक के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा, सो हाउ शी विल एक्सप्रेस हर फीलिंग, हाउ शी विल राइट दैट, हाउ शी विल मेक अ sentences related to that topic. So for before that, you must have the knowledge and idea related to that topic. Okay, in a paragraph, series of sentence are written one after the other without any gap, because this is a paragraph. Okay, so there should not be a line gaps or the word gaps. Tips. Now, first is the introduction and conclusion should be very impressive. Introduction, that means you can say a starting line. Conclusion, that means you can say a ending line. It must be a impressive. Okay, it should not a very lengthy. Okay, and it should not be very short. Oh, all right, because we are talking about the paragraph. Everyone's know the paragraph is 7 to 10 lines maximum. All right. In that line, you have to cover up all the relevant point, all the important point, which is correlate with your topic. Okay. And do not repeat the such things or such kind of words. Do not repeat it, or such kind of sentence. Do not repeat it. Understood? Do not repeat it. New ideas make a paragraph more interesting. You have to be give us something interesting fact while writing the paragraph writing. Understood? कुछ तो आपको ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट उसमें डालना चाहिए, दैट इज योर पैराग्राफ लुक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग and very innovative also. Now, students, what is this paragraph writing? This is your creative writing. This is your creative writing only. It enhances your writing skill. It enhances your writing skill. For writing the paragraph writing, students, 100 times I'm telling you that you must be knowing, and you must be knowing some idea about that related topic. Okay. So this is the part for writing the paragraph writing. These are the part. Okay. Topic sentences, supporting sentences, body. In that body, it is including a supporting sentences. And third is a concluding sentences. Topic sentences, you can say a introduction, that means the starting line of the paragraph. Body or supporting sentences, one of the same thing. Body and the supporting sentences, one of the same thing. That means what in detail sentence you have to mention in your paragraph. This is comes in middle. ये जो है सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंस, ये आपके मिडल पार्ट में आता है, because in detail information you are giving related to your topic. In this supporting sentence, you have mentioned each and everything, whatever information you have related to your topic, that you mention in the supporting sentences. Concluding sentence, that means your ending part of the paragraph. Okay. And the topic sentence, concluding sentence is must be a expressive. Let me see the other slide. Wait. Introduction. What we need in an introduction, that means a starting line. In an introduction, you have to be mentioned that you're talking about a such kind of top your such kind of your what is your topic, that you have to mention in your first sentences. Okay, now here I want one student can read this sentence. Okay, Antara, please read this.
My favorite game is cricket. Cricket defines passions. It shows how countless dreams turn into reality.
Okay, Antara, don't mute yourself. Now just tell me, this is the introduction part of your paragraph. Okay, this is
Yes.
the starting line. While reading the starting line, can you come to know what is your topic?
Cricket, about the cricket.
Okay, about the cricket. All right.
Yes.
Or else, just
About,
think and tell.
about the favorite game which you like.
Very good. So, while reading the introduction part, you will come to know that this is the which topic. This, it can be a cricket, it can be a favorite game. Understood? So, what is basically my point is to all students कि आपका जो first introduction line है उसमें आपका topic clear होना चाहिए that you are talking about a which topic. Understood? Okay. Antara beta, just mute yourself. All right. Now this is the body, or you can say a supporting sentence of the paragraph. All right. Now here I want one student can read this paragraph. All right. Akshata, I'll unmute to you, Akshata.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Yes, continue, beta.
Yes, teacher. Body. It is one of the most popular games not only in India but across the world. It is the national game of England but is played by over the world. It is played between two teams considering of 11 players each. The ultimate
Once again.
aim
Consisting of 11 players each.
consisting of 11 players each. The ultimate aim of a team is to score higher than the other. I have been playing this game since I was 4 years old. Watching old others play, it is sorry, play is as exciting as playing it.
Okay. So, Akshata, don't mute yourself, dear.
Yes, teacher.
Now, in this paragraph, you have read it each and everything. All right.
Yes.
So, what is given in this paragraph?
Teacher, it is something about game.
Okay, which game?
Um, is it covered? No.
Which game in an introduction part we have seen? Which game?
Yes, teacher, cricket.
Very good. They are talking about the cricket. So, student, in an introduction part, they already mentioned in a cricket. In a main body of the paragraph, they have not repeated the game name. What they are given in this body main part, they are given in detail information about the game. They are given in detail information about the game. Understood? So, this is your body. That means a detail about the game, or you can say detail about the your topic. Here will come a supporting sentence plus detail. All right. You have to give a detailed information related whatever topic you have. Understood? Akshata?
Teacher, can I mute yourself? Myself?
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. You can mute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Now, I want another student who can read this also. Mercy, Mercy Kar.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta. Just read this. What is given this line?
Conclusion. Talk about how passionate you are towards this game or your ambition.
Yes. Now, in the conclusion part, they not make us sentences. All right. They are not making us sentences. They are telling to us that talk about how passionate you are towards this game. Okay. As I told you, students, introduction and conclusion part, it must be impressive. So, how you would like to be conclude this? How you will end your paragraph topic? That you have to talk about your topic, that how you are passionate, or else you have to include your ambitious. So Mercy, can
And I like badminton.
say.
I like I like badminton. In badminton, it's very happy thing that we play nicely, and when the cock goes high, then other did not and other did not kick that, then we win. So that was I like that badminton.
Okay. Now, now here I want one student who can read about this. Sarthak, I'll unmute to you, Sarthak.
Yes, teacher.
Just read the paragraph.
My favorite game is cricket. Cricket defines passion. It shows how countless dreams turn into reality. It is one of the most popular games, not only in India, but across the world. It is the national game of England, but it is played all over the world. It is played between two teams consisting of
consisting
11 players. Each is the ultimate aim of team is to score higher than the other. I have been playing this game since I was 4 years old. Watching others play is as exciting to play it. I love watching and playing cricket. It is my dream to become a cricketer and join the Indian cricket team.
Sarthak, when
Yes.
you are read it na beta, just complete the words properly, and don't be in a hurry, because somewhere you have read as is, you forgot to read that. Okay. And if the full stop is there, you have to take a pause at that time. Okay.
Yes.
Continue. If a full stop is there you have to stop for few seconds. All right. This is the way how you should be read the sentence.
Okay.
Tata, just mute yourself.
Okay.
Okay. Now here, student, this is the paragraph where you can see the starting is the introduction. That means a topic sentence. Then after, which is in a red in color, that is the body. That is a supporting sentence in detail related to our topic. And which is in a violet color, that is the conclusion part. As I told you in a conclusion, it will come about how you are much passionate, you like your game, and what is your ambitious. It should be expressed through the words. Okay, this is the topic. Now